Oh.
You going?
Yes. Amanda's attempt to open the attic. Again.
Do it again.
She's using tongs. Can she do it? She can't do it. Into the kitchen. For what?
I don't know.
What are we trying this time?
No.
She's trying a spatula to reach a cord. Why don't you try jumping? Is it with your hand? Just grasp it already. Why don't you go get your stool out of your room? Follow into the darkness. Her room's dirty, guys. Letting you know. She's getting a stool.
That has my name on it.
That has her name on it.
Amanda?
And do you think this will work, Amanda?
No.
All right. Grasp it. Woo! Why don't you try the tongs again? And not a spatula. She's trying to put the string through the hole. Ooh, try a whisk. Oh, try a knife. Tempting with a whisk now. What are we trying now, Amanda?
And the king.
A baster.
Come on, Mama.
I'm coming. It's not gonna fit in the hole. Now she's attempting to try a lemon juicer. She cannot reach. She's attempting with a chip clip. You're not working. You're not working. Your mom. She's attempting a spoon with holes. Will it work? No, it won't. You're open.
It's not working.
This was a horrible attempt. Just letting you know. Now she's just playing with crap. Okay, goodbye.
Bye.